Hello, my sisters. How are you feeling today? Is your mind, body, and spirit in perfect condition? Are you frolicking and dancing and singing and creating with ease? You feel at ease, even, balanced. Nothing or very little bothers you. Is this you? Is this how you feel? What is your pain these days? Is your pain rooted in health issues? The healthcare system in this country literally is literally failing us to a large degree. I want to read you a quote from Tina Sachs, the author of Invisible Visits: Black Middle-Class Women in the American Healthcare System. She says, being a racial minority is usually equated with being poor, and so it's assumed that black middle-class women should be fine just because they're not poor. But they're not fine. They face substantial health challenges and differences in health outcomes. My work points to the persistence of racial discrimination across class, resulting in lower life expectancy and higher rates of infant mortality, and also highlights the unique challenges women in general, and black women in particular, face trying to be taken seriously and get their needs met by their doctors. To what extent do you think this affects you? Tell me about it in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Now, in this society, we have health issues compounding through time and being passed on from generation to generation. They want to call us angry black women. Well, okay, yeah, we're angry. And what are you going to do about it? We're dragging pain from the past into the present. We must cut the links of past pain, current and historical. The real cause is us allowing stress. Dr. Lionel King, the author of Mastering Vitality, told me that by the time you get a symptom shows up, the disease, whatever it is, has progressed 40% before any symptoms show up. This is what stress does to us. I need us to pay attention to the fact that stress is unnecessary. We can control it and do something about it. We didn't know before, but we know now. I find that when I stay focused in the present with what I want to have happen with my health and all else, it happens. In health matters and in all matters. What is your experience with this? Let's save our own lives and those of our children and their children, and break the cycle of perpetual fear, lack, and survival. It leads to more stress and illness. And we have the power to deal with this on a cellular level, by ourselves, individually, handling it and avoiding hospitalization and disease. I have an aversion to hospitals in particular because my mother was an LVN, and she was very big on never, ever putting yourself in a position where you have to go to the hospital. merely because you're not taking care of yourself. Because she saw things there. She saw things there that made it clear to her that she wanted to make sure her children knew, oh no, don't even go there. Take care of yourself. You have the power to do it. We have the power to do it. There is no disease that we can't conquer individually, on a cellular level, just with ourselves and the power that we have within. Focus into what you want to have happen with your health. It's your power.